What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the best camera for podcasting. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1 Fujifilm X-S2 camera. Are you searching for the perfect blend of power and portability to bring your creative vision to life? Look no further than the Fujifilm X-S2 mirrorless camera body, designed with versatility and performance in mind. This compact powerhouse empowers photographers and videographers of all levels to capture stunning images and videos with ease. Let's explore what makes the Fujifilm X-S2 the ultimate tool for turning thoughts and ideas into reality. Sleek and lightweight design, weighing just 491 grams and featuring a deep hand grip, the Fujifilm X-S2 offers a confident and comfortable hold, even with sizable lenses attached. Its compact form factor makes it the perfect companion for on-the-go shooting, while its intuitive layout ensures that creatives of any level can start capturing stunning images as soon as they pick up the camera. Outstanding image quality. With a powerful 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS for sensor paired with the X-Processor 5 imaging engine, the Fujifilm X-S2 delivers breathtaking images straight out of the camera. Number 2 Sony's EV-1 II. Are you ready to take your vlogs to the next level? Look no further than the Sony's EV-1 II vlog camera. Designed with content creators and vloggers in mind, this compact powerhouse is packed with features to help you capture stunning videos with ease. Let's dive into what makes the Sony's EV-1 II the ultimate tool for vlogging success. Unmatched performance, featuring a large 1-inch sensor and an ultra-wide 18 to 50mm zoom lens, the Sony's EV-1 II ensures that you capture every moment in stunning detail. Whether you're vlogging indoors or exploring the great outdoors, this camera delivers professional results, even in low-light conditions. Beautifully defocused backgrounds. With a wide aperture range of f1.8 to 4.0, the EV-1 II allows you to achieve beautifully defocused backgrounds, making your subject stand out in every shot. Say goodbye to distracting backgrounds and hello to cinematic quality vlogs that are sure to impress your audience. Crystal clear audio. Good audio is essential for captivating vlogs, and the Sony's EV-1 II delivers. Equipped with a directional 3-capsule microphone and windscreen accessory, this camera ensures that your voice is always clear and crisp, even in windy outdoor conditions. Stay in focus. Say goodbye to blurry footage with this EV-1 I's real-time autofocus tracking and IAF technology. Whether you're moving around or filming stationary shots, this camera keeps you and your subject in perfect focus. Number 3 DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Are you ready to take your vlogs to the next level? Look no further than the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Packed with cutting-edge features and advanced technology, this compact vlogging camera is designed to capture stunning footage with ease. Let's dive into what makes the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 the ultimate tool for content creators. Unrivaled performance, featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 captures breathtaking 4K resolution footage at an impressive 1:0 fps. Whether you're filming epic landscapes or fast-paced action sequences, this camera delivers stunning clarity and detail, even in low-light conditions. Effortless composition. With its expansive 2-inch touchscreen, the Osmo Pocket 3 makes it easy to frame your shots with precision. Whether you're shooting in horizontal or vertical mode, this camera ensures that every shot is perfectly composed. Ultra-steady footage. Say goodbye to shaky videos. The Osmo Pocket 3 features advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization, delivering buttery smooth footage even when you're on the move. Whether you're dancing, hiking, or chasing pets, this camera ensures that your videos are always steady and stable. Number 4 Sony Alpha ZV-1. Are you ready to elevate your vlogging game to new heights? Look no further than the Sony Alpha's EVE-1 full-frame interchangeable lens mirrorless vlog camera. Boasting cutting-edge technology and innovative features, this camera is designed to empower content creators with the tools they need to bring their creative vision to life. Unparalleled image quality, equipped with a full-frame 12.1 MP XMOR sensor, the Sony Alpha's EVE-1 delivers stunning 4K resolution footage with exceptional clarity, sensitivity, and speed. With 15 stops of latitude and low noise performance, this camera ensures that every frame is a work of art, complete with gorgeous full-frame bokeh that adds depth and dimension to your videos. Professional-grade recording options take your videos to the next level with 10-bit FR222 to recording capabilities, allowing for richer, more natural gradations and greater editing freedom. Whether you choose long GOP or all-intra compression, the Sony Alpha's EVE-1 ensures that your footage retains its quality even after extensive post-production. Cinematic Vlog Setting. Elevate your vlogs with the Cinematic Vlog setting, which offers intuitive controls for creating scenes that rival feature films. With options to customize the look, mood, and AF transition speed, you can easily tailor your footage to match your creative vision, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or intimate moments. Advanced AI features. Experience effortless subject tracking with the Sony Alpha's EVE-1's dedicated AI processor and real-time recognition technology. From AI-based auto-framing to multiple face recognition, this camera ensures that your subjects remain in focus. Number 5. GoPro HERO1 to Black. GoPro HERO1 to Black. Packed with groundbreaking features and cutting-edge technology, this waterproof action camera is designed to capture every exhilarating moment with stunning clarity and precision. The HERO1 to Black redefines image quality with its high dynamic range HDR capability, delivering breathtakingly vivid videos and photos. Whether you're exploring sun-drenched landscapes or venturing into shadowy depths, HDR ensures every detail is captured with lifelike accuracy. Crisp 5.3K video and to 7 MP photos say goodbye to grainy footage and blurry stills. The HERO1 to Black boasts 5.3K video resolution, offering 91% more detail than 4K and an astonishing 665% more than 108p. Plus, with two 7 MP photo capabilities, you can freeze your most epic moments in stunning clarity, ensuring every shot is Instagram-worthy. Emmy Award-winning stabilization. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.